truck friends, Lauren Fletcher here with your Truck Chat monthly recap, where I break down what's new, what's next, and what's working for vocational truck and van fleets like yours. This month, I'm tackling some of the hottest challenges out there, from fleet safety and culture to smarter installs and electrification, to competitions that build pride and leadership stories that stick. Before I get started, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Now, let's jump into what moved the fleet world in August. Let's kick it off with the big one, our 2025 Work Truck Safety Study. Fleets shared how they're handling safety today. The good news? The basics like training and inspections are holding strong. The flip side, adoption of advanced safety technology like ADAS and in-cab monitoring is still patchy, especially for smaller fleets. One highlight, while most managers believe safety tech improves performance, cost and driver pushback are still slowing down adoption. And in a deeper dive into the study, unless those new safety tools are paired with real coaching, communication, and leadership buy-in, they're just expensive gadgets. Tech doesn't fix culture, but culture makes tech actually work. So before you invest in new tools, make sure your culture is strong enough to support them. Next up, we shift gears into the electric future with a smarter power solution. In understanding the value of EPTOs, we break down how electric power takeoffs are changing the game. Think quieter operation, major fuel savings, up to 2,500 gallons and $8,600 per truck per year, and a more sustainable path forward. EPTOs can reduce total energy use to less than a third of traditional systems. Now let's talk upfits, specifically no drill versus full installs. In digging into upfit installation, we look at why no-drill solutions are gaining traction. Benefits include preserving resale value, avoiding corrosion, and saving installation time, especially important for battery electric vehicles. But the downsides can be higher upfront costs and limitations for heavy-duty installs. No-drill installs can save your resale and speed up deployment, but sometimes the heavy-duty jobs still call for drilling. And shifting gears from the shop floor to the driver's seat, or in this case, a test track. In more than a competition inside the 2025 Star Nation experience, Western Star turned its proving grounds into a showcase of skill, mentorship, and brand pride, and invited Work Truck along for the ride. Drivers tackled steep rocky climbs, precision gravel tests, and virtual driving sims, but the heart of the event was camaraderie and culture. Curious who took the crown? Watch the full video for the details. It's a peek at how the performance meets people and power. And wrapping it up, we've got real leadership wisdom. In Lisa Kneggs on confidence, communication, and a career built-in fleet, she shares how she saved $1 million by slashing premium fuel misuse, built driver trust through communication, and kept her approach authentic and human. If you're building your fleet leadership style, Lisa's story is a must-read for confidence and communication inspiration. Got a few minutes between routes or reports? These videos are short, sharp, and packed with fleet know-how. First up, in Fleet 101, How to Spec a Work Truck from Chassis to Upfit, we walk through every step of building a work-ready truck with EAVX, from chassis choices to body selection to upfits and tech. We've also got Sawatch Labs sharing insights on where predictive analytics meets electrification. The team digs into how to analyze energy needs, vehicle suitability, and cost-effectiveness when moving your fleet to EVs. And finally, you can dive into some career inspiration with Theresa Belding on career lessons, industry changes, and why networking wins. Theresa lays out the real-world value of showing up, building relationships, and staying connected across industry shifts. If you're looking for fuel, your next move, this one's full of leadership wisdom. And now for an update you won't want to miss. Early bird registration for Fleet Forward Conference 2025 is officially open, but only until September 19th will you get that early bird rate. If you're already thinking ahead to 2026, you're not alone. Fleet Forward is where the future of fleet really takes shape. As co-ambassador this year alongside the incredible Kimberly Fisher, we're helping guide conversations on connected tech, electrification, mobility, safety, and what it really means to future-proof your fleet. Here's what you can expect in San Diego. Sessions led by industry trailblazers, hands-on time with the newest fleet tech, and plenty of networking with leaders who are rewriting the rules of fleet management. It's all happening in October in gorgeous San Diego, so don't wait. Grab that early bird rate before September 19th, lock in your spot, and come join us as we talk about what's next for fleet together. Now, let's run through a few fast headlines making waves this month. First up, the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council has officially launched. This new group brings together OEMs, fleet managers, and tech providers to focus on one big goal: protecting resale value in today's shifting market. Join us at Fleet Forward Conference for the inaugural meeting. We want to hear your voice in the room. Next, U.S. fleets are poised for electrification, and Ford is right in the mix. Many fleets are targeting EV adoption still by 2027, with Ford at the center of several initiatives. But challenges around workplace and home charging policies could slow progress. And on the regulatory side, the State Department has paused worker visas for CDL drivers. This comes after safety and language concerns were raised following a recent high-profile crash. In automaker news, Stellantis has ended its hydrogen fuel cell program. The company cited high costs, weak demand, and limited infrastructure as reasons for halting hydrogen-powered Pro 1 vans. Meanwhile, Samsara is now offering pre-installed telematics on new trucks, saving time and money while streamlining operations. And finally, a new Links Up survey shows 1/3 of fleets still don't have a formal safety program. The data also highlights how pairing tools with consistent coaching can help. And that's your Truck Chat Monthly Recap. This month gave us a little bit of everything. Hard data, culture-driven takeaways, smarter tech, a behind-the-scenes look at Star Nation, leadership lessons, and more. If you found something helpful today or just enjoyed hanging out for a bit, hit that like button, subscribe to Truck Chat, and share this with your fleet crew. There's plenty more where that came from. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll catch you next month with more insights, updates, and more of what keeps your fleets rolling. Stay safe out there, friends.